We are using the designs, make that structure, and then make another shape in the center of it. Let's change the pattern here, gradient as well. It's the other option. We will apply here. So using the design. So we are going to apply there. Make a design to use. Thank you for watching our video.